So in this segment, we will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate the reference list automatically. So let's see, I know my reference papers here. Let's say these are the 5 reference papers or 6 reference papers or articles which I want to cite. And I do not know their information exactly. So I don't want to waste my time to gather the information about their author's name or journal's name, publisher's name, volume, issue number, page numbers, year, month, and so on. So what I can do is I can copy this command and say, let's say, create a list of references for the given paper in IEEE format. You can change the format to, and then ask ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT to gather all the information about those 5 papers and just copy paste those 5 papers titles there and ask it. So now here you can see ChatGPT is creating the entire reference list automatically. ChatGPT is creating the entire reference list automatically. You can see the author's names are also gathered. It gives us the journal's name, volume number, page numbers, year, or DOI. Even DOI number is also fetched, right? Month, or any other, all the details. You can look at this particular reference. All the author's names are there. Then it has given the journal's name, volume number, issue number, page numbers, month, year of the publication, and DOI. It has created the entire reference. Now you can use this list of reference. Let's say if you're creating a CV and you're putting your own articles in terms of a particular reference list, you can put them there. Or let's say you are creating a Word document manually, you can copy paste this entire list there, right? You can change the format also. Let's say change the format to APA or MLA, whatever is your choice. It will change the format also. It will change the format also, and it will give me as per that particular format. It will give me as per that particular format. After doing this, now let's say you want to insert this BibTeX codes. You want to insert these codes in your BibTeX file, right? So what I can do is generate an overleaf code for a reference.bib file. Okay. So now what it does it automatically and gives me that code what is needed on the overleaf. So you can see all the references are gathered with the required information here in terms of the code which is compatible with overleaf. Once it is done, you can just say copy this file, copy this code, go to your BibTeX, and you can paste it here, right? You can paste that here. And subsequently, you can start citing, let's say, subsequently, you can start writing that particular code here automatically, right? Cite whatever you want to cite. So you just pick that up. You have to remember that code. Here, for an example, this was the code in the BibTeX, right? So I can just say, I wanted to cite this. So automatically it will cite here. And when you compile, all the citations would be adjusted accordingly. This is the easiest method which I came across to cut down the workload and increase the productivity.